Hi there, I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and I'm here today to talk to you about the heated humidifier. The heated humidifier is a very important part of using an automatic CPAP machine. Its primary function is to ensure that you get moisture while you're sleeping, to ensure that both your throat and your nose don't get dry. If you don't use the heated humidifier with your automatic CPAP machine, you do run the risk of getting a dry throat in the morning, which can become sore and very irritating. Every couple of days, you do need to fill the humidifier tank up with water. We do recommend using distilled water, but you can use tap water. However, if you're going to use tap water, you will have to clean your hose, your mask, and your humidifier tank more regularly. And that's it. That's our very quick overview of the heated humidifier. If you are interested in making a purchase of our Auto CPAP package today, you can visit the drop-down description below, visit our website, and find the link below for a $50 discount off of our standard package price. I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia. Thanks for watching and have a great day.